Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove your Dodge Durango headliner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right approach and tools it's quite manageable. First, ensure you have a trim removal tool set, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and a selection of Torx bits, typically T15, T25, and T50. Safety is key, so always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery cable before beginning. Also, consider covering your seats and console to prevent any accidental damage during the process. Next, we'll tackle the overhead components. Begin by removing the overhead console. This usually involves prying off covers to access screws, then disconnecting electrical harnesses. Proceed to the dome lights, gently prying their lenses to reveal mounting screws or clips, and then unplugging them. The sun visors are typically held by 2 or 3 Torx screws. Remove these and any illuminated vanity mirror wiring. Finally, unfasten all coat hooks, which often have small covers concealing their screws. Now let's move to the pillar trims and grab handles. The A-pillar trim panels usually pop off after releasing a few clips. Use a trim tool to avoid damage. For the B, C, and D pillars, you'll often need to remove seat belt bolts, typically a T50 Torx, and then carefully unclip the trim panels. All grab handles are secured with screws, often T25 Torx, hidden under small covers. Remember to disconnect any electrical connections as you remove these pieces. With all components removed, the headliner should now be mostly free. Gently pull down on the headliner to locate any remaining clips or fasteners. If your Durango has a sunroof, you'll need to separate the hook and loop fasteners around its perimeter. This is a large, flexible piece, so having a helper is highly recommended. Carefully bow the headliner and guide it out through the rear liftgate opening. Take your time to avoid creasing or damaging it. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.